So for this problem, no? So, meron tayong railroad curve na lalagyan natin ng circular arc, di ba? Such that magbabago dapat yung direction ng truck, di ba? By 30 degrees in a distance of 300 meters, okay? Kaya again, so ganito yung figure natin, no? So let's say ito yung original direction ng railroad curve natin. So again, that's horizontal, di ba? So then gusto natin mag-introduce ng circular arc. So again, for instance, ito yung circular arc natin. Okay? Nakaba such that magbabago yung direction natin by 30 degrees, di ba? So if we continue this path, di ba? So then, ang gusto natin mangyari, itong angle na to, di ba? Should be 30 degrees. Okay? Tama ba? So kaya pag in-analyze niyo to, di ba? So itong figure natin, di ba? So you will just get, di ba? So that this angle should also be 30 degrees, di ba? So geometry and triangles lang yung geometry, triangles, and circles lang yung gagamitin nyo dito. Okay? So kaya again, so ganyan yung mangyayari diba, sa figure natin. So now, so ang gustong sabihin ng problem, diba, is dapat itong distance na to, so itong length na to, okay? So this should be 300 meters, okay? So again, such that again, magbabago yung angle by 30 degrees. So yung tanong sa atin is what will be the radius of curvature? So ano itong length na to, okay? So tawagin natin ito as R. So therefore, gagamit lang tayo dito ng S is equal to R theta. So arc length formula lang. Okay? So yung radius natin is the arc length. That's 300 meters. So then divide natin ng angle theta. But remember, yung theta natin, so dapat ay naka-regions. So kaya ko-convert pa natin to. So we have pi divided by 180 degrees. No? Okay? So pag sinolve ito, you should be able to get 573 meters. Okay? Kaya yung sagot natin dito is letter C. Okay? So next number, 22. Diba? So itong number 22 actually passport din to. Diba? So lumabas noong April 2019, tapos naulit din noong April 2022. Okay? So we have find all values of C. Meron tayong ganitong example sa lecture. Diba? So kaya ganun din lang yung gagawin natin dito. Okay? So again, so first, polar form. Pag nilipat ito sa polar form, you will get 1 cis pi over 2. Diba? Pero remember, kailangan natin ng all values of Z. So ibig sabihin, magdadagdag ako ng multiple of 2k pi dito. Walang multiple ng 2 pi. So we have 2k pi. So in exponential form, that is e to the I. Diba? So then we have pi over 2. Okay? So then plus 2k pi. No? Okay? So this is e to the 4z. Okay? So kaya magka-cancel lang yung e dito. So then z will be equal to 1/2 divided by 4. That's 1/8 pi I. Diba? Plus, so we have 2 pi divided by 4. That's 1/2 k pi. So then multiplied by I. Now, so this will be our answer. So this is letter C. Diba? So ito. Okay? So we have letter C. So 1/8 pi I, so plus 1/2 k pi I. No? Okay? So pero ang alam ko nung lumabas to nung April 2019, okay? Wala to. Yeah. Wala tong I. No? So ganito lang yung nakita nila doon sa choices. Diba? So troubleshoot nyo lang. So dagdagan nyo ng I. Diba? So kinorek na namin kasi dyan yung choices natin. Okay? So next number 23. So slope lang to. Diba? So equation lang ng slope. So again, so we can treat this as our x sub 1 saka y sub 1. Diba? So ito yung x sub 2 saka y sub 2. So ito yung x sub 2. So x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay? So then this will be our slope. Okay? So kaya direct formula lang yung gagawin natin dito. Diba? Okay? So we have, okay? So again, slope is equal to delta y over delta x lang. Diba? So again, so yung y sub 2 natin again is yung A. So 6. Okay? So 6 minus negative 2. Tapos yung x sub 2 natin is yung A. So then minus A sub 1 is 6. Okay? And again, so this is given as 4/3. So pag sinolve ito, lalabas dito yung A is equal to 12. Okay? So this is letter D. Okay. Next number, 24. Okay, so radius of curvature lang. So we are given y is equal to e to the x. Okay, so then that's minus 2x. Okay, so remember, pagdating sa radius of curvature, kailangan natin ng y prime. So kaya this will be e to the x minus 2. So tapos, ang given sa atin na point is 0, 1. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin x sa y. So therefore, what will be our y prime? E to the 0 minus 2. Diba? So this is negative 1. Okay? So then next is kailangan din natin ng y prime prime. So again, derivative ng e to the x is e to the x. Derivative ng negative 2 ay 0. Okay? So kaya at the given point 0, 1, diba? So yung y prime prime natin is e to the 0. So again, so this is equal to 1. Okay? So therefore, so what's the radius of curvature? So again, direct formula for rectangular curve, that is 1 plus y prime squared. So then raised to 3 halves, diba? So then divide this by y prime prime. Okay? So lagyan lang natin ang absolute value para siguradong positive yung lalabas. Diba? So we have 1 plus negative 1 squared raised to 3 halves. Okay, so then divided by, so this is the absolute value of 1. Okay? So which means that this is equal to 2.83. Okay? So kaya yung sagot natin dito is letter B. Okay? So next number, 25. Okay, so we have a bridge, 1.4 kilometers long. So mayroong bus na 10 meters na magkakross ng bridge. How many minutes will it take for the bus to completely cross the bridge? No? Okay, for this problem naman, so let's say ito yung road natin. So we have this road. Okay, so then ito yung, let's say ito yung bridge. So let's say ito yung bridge natin. No? So which is given sa atin as 1.4 kilometers. No? Okay? So then meron tayong bus. Okay? So let's say ito yung bus natin. Okay? Sabi sa problem, this is 10 meters long. So lipat natin sa kilometer, 10 divided by 1,000 is 0.01. So this is 0.01 kilometer. No? So ito yung right before pumasok yung bus sa bridge. Di ba? Then after naman niya makalabas sa bridge, after makalabas ng bus dun sa bridge natin, so nandito yung position natin. So again, so this should be 0.01 kilometers as well. Okay? Okay ba? So now, para malaman natin yung total distance traveled by the bus, kailangan natin mag-consider ng parehong point dun sa bus natin. Okay? So for instance, okay, so let's consider this point on the bus, yung nasa harap, saka itong nasa harap na to. So ibig sabihin yung layo na tinravel ng point na yan yung distance traveled by the bus. Diba? So therefore in this case, that's 1.4 plus 0.01 kilometers. So this is 1.41 kilometers. Okay? So therefore, so again, so saan equal yung time? Distance divided by the rate. Diba? So kaya we have 1.41 kilometers divided by, ang sabi sa problem is 30 kilometers per hour. Pero kailangan natin naka-minutes lang. So we have 60 minutes per hour. Okay? So kaya magiging minutes yung unit natin dito. Okay? So you will get this to be 2.82 minutes. Okay? So this is also letter B. Okay? So any questions number 25? Okay. So next number 26. No? So given sa atin yung logarithm of mn, okay? So and logarithm of n over m. So hinahanap is yung logarithm of n, di ba? So we will just use properties of logarithm. So again, given sa atin yung log mn, remember by properties, this is log m plus log n. Okay? This is equal to 2, sorry. Tama pala 6. So then yung logarithm of n over m. So again, this is logarithm of n minus logarithm of m. So then this is equal to 2 from the given, diba? Find the logarithm of n. So para makuha natin yung logarithm of n, we just need to add yung dalawang equation kasi magka-cancel to. Diba? So kaya magiging siyang 2 log n is equal to 8. So therefore log n is equal to 4. Okay? So therefore this is letter B. Okay? So next number, 27. Find the slope of the curve whose parametric equations are given. So again, given sa atin is x. Okay? So again, so ito yung given sa atin ng parametric equation, hinahanap yung slope. Diba? So again, so x is given. So we have negative 1 plus t. So therefore, we can get dx dt. So is equal to 1. Okay? So we are also given y is equal to 2t. Diba? So then, ibig sabihin, so yung dy dt natin, so this is equal to 2. Diba? And saan equal yung slope? That's dy over dx. Diba? So, or, in terms of parametric equation, that's dy dt over dx dt. So, you can think of this na pwede mag-cancel yung dt, kaya dy over dx pa rin yan. So, again, so therefore, this is 2 over 1. So, this is equal to 2. Okay? So, this is letter A. No? Okay? So next number, 28. So number 28, okay? So again, so if A is given, saka B is given, so hinahanap yung magnitude of 7A minus B. Okay, so magnitude of 7A minus B. Okay? So from the given, so again, vector A is 2, 4. And vector B is 4, 3. Okay. So then let's try to solve this. Okay. So this will be the magnitude of 7 times 2, that's 14. Plus 4 is, minus 4 is 10. So then 7 times 4 is 28, minus 3 is 25. Okay. So then, so this will be square root of 10 squared plus 25 squared. So this is square root of 725. Diba? So although, ang problem dito, wala to sa choices. Diba? So wala sa choices. Diba? So ibig sabihin, so again, so meron tayong troubleshoot sa problem na to. Diba? So yung troubleshoot natin dito. So una, this should be, not this one. Okay? So again, this is our first troubleshoot. This is negative 3 actually. Okay, nakuha ba? Doon sa actual na problem. Okay, so this should be negative 3. Okay, so ibig sabihin, instead of 25 to, this should be 28 minus negative 3. This should be 31. So ibig sabihin, this should be 31 squared. Diba? So meaning, so this is 1,061. Okay, nakuha ba? So and sa choices, ang makikita nyo lang is yung square root of 106. So therefore, troubleshoot nyo rin to. Okay? Nakuha ba? So again, so this is choose letter. Okay? So this is choose letter B. No. Okay? So again, so common yan sa board exam. Diba? So na merong ilang troubleshooting kayo kailangan gawin sa problem. So again, so dun sa mismong tanong, diba? So yan talaga yung given. So this should be negative 3. Tapos this should be 1,061. Okay? Nakuha ba? Yan yung sasagot natin. No? Okay? So next number, 29. So again, so dito sa pre-board natin, marami tayong makikita mga troubleshooting. So again, sinasanay namin kasi kayo, diba? So na ngayon pa lang, diba? So na again, merong mga troubleshoot sa board exam. Okay? So para, again, so pagdating sa board exam, din na kayo mangangapa, diba? So ng pagto-troubleshoot. Okay? 29, so again, so recall. So again, so sa handouts natin sa advanced math, meron tayo doon Laplace ng e to the negative 80. Diba? So this should be 1 over s. Since negative to, this will be plus a. No? So ibig sabihin, yung given sa atin, so we have e raised to negative 2t. Okay, so following this, so we have 1 over s plus 2. Okay? So kaya pipiliin natin dyan is yung letter B. Diba? So again, so the choices here should be, okay, so troubleshoot to, so although it is not that important kasi medyo obvious naman yung troubleshoot. So dapat may parenthesis yan. Diba? So any questions? Number 26. 29. Okay. Sa akin, ito yung mga tanong natin. Okay? Sa akin, so ito yung troubleshoot dito. Sa akin, this should be -3. And this should be square root of 1061. So ito naman dapat may parenthesis. Okay? 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 So any questions? Number for so far? No? Okay? Okay, so next number, 30. No? So find the 16th term of the arithmetic sequence. So again, we have 4, 7, 10, and so on. So again, alam natin arithmetic progression to sinabi sa problem. So this is our first term. So then makikita natin na yung common difference natin is 3. So yun yung ina-add natin para makuha yung next term. So then ang kailangan natin is the 16th term. So therefore direct formula. So a sub n is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So therefore this is 4 plus, so again, 16th term. So then common difference is 3. So then you will get 49. So direct formula. No? So this is letter C. No? Next, number 31. So number 31 naman, so given tayo ng volume ng sphere, that's 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? So then this will be given by, okay, so sabi sa problem, this is 36 pi, diba? So cubic meter. So kaya cancel ka. Okay, so then solving for the radius, so then you will get, so 36 divided 4, 9 times 3, 27, cube root ng 27. So we have 3 meters. So then for the surface area ng sphere, that's 4 pi r squared. Okay, so we get 4 pi, so then multiplied by 3 meter squared. So then you will get, this is 36 pi square meters. So pareho lang, diba? So kaya yung sagot natin dito is 36 pi, so we have letter A. Number 32, kailangan lang natin ng vertex ng parabola. So y squared minus 2x plus 6y. So then plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? So again, so remember, so we have y squared plus 6y. So kulang na lang ng plus 9 para perfect square. So gagawin ko itong plus 9 minus 6. So since 9 minus 6 is 3. Diba? So then you will get, this is y plus 3. So again, this quantity squared. So then, so we have yung negative 2x lipat sa kabila magiging positive 2x. Okay? Negative 6 lipat sa kabila magiging positive 6 divided by 2. So we have plus 3. So therefore, the vertex is at negative 3. Diba? So then, negative 3. Okay? So therefore, so yung sagot natin dito is letter D. So again, another way, diba, is remember, okay, so na, this is a parabola opening to the right. Kasi nga, y yung naka-square, positive yung x, diba? So kaya makikita natin, so na yung vertex natin is located at the point, okay, so with the smallest value of x, diba? So ibig sabihin, we can use maximum minima here. Okay? So kunin nyo lang yung derivative with respect to y ng parabola. Okay? So again, with respect to y, yung gagawin natin derivative kasi nga, ang mini-minimize natin dito is yung x. Okay? Okay ba? So kaya yung variable natin dito is y. So kaya with respect to y yung derivative. Kumbaga binabago natin yung value ng y para makuha natin yung minimum value of x. So then this will be 2y minus 2. So this is dx dy. So then plus 6, 0 yung derivative dito. So this is 0. So then you will get here. So again, remember, maximum minima, the first derivative is 0. So 0 to. So you will get y is equal to negative 3. Diba? Pareho lang nakuha natin dito. Negative 3. Okay? So then pasok nyo lang siya doon sa equation. Diba? So ipapasok nyo lang ito dito sa equation na to. So then solve for the value of x. Makukuha nyo dito yung x is equal to negative 3. Diba? So pareho lang ilalabas na sagot. Okay? So okay, so yun yung pagkuha ng vertex. You can use maximum minima, pwede rin namang completing the square. Diba? Okay? So next, number 33. No? So ito nasa lecture, tangent squared of J 0.78. So lecture ng advanced math. No? Okay, so again, so remember, may nakuha tayong identity doon. Diba? So again, recall. Okay, so we have tangent of JU is equal to J tang of U. Okay, so J tang of U, diba? So therefore, so this is equal to, so J tang of 0.78 squared. Okay? So you will get negative 0.426. Okay? So that's letter D. No? So next number, 34. Okay? When the ellipse is rotated about the longer axis, the ellipsoid is blank. Diba? So, okay, so pag ganito yung ellipse, okay, so then nirotate natin siya about this axis. Diba? So you will get something like this. No? Okay? So ito yung tinatawag natin na prolate. No? Okay? Okay ba? So I think this is prolate spheroid. So yung tawag, or prolate ellipsoid. So I'm not pretty sure. Okay? So this is letter C. No? Pag ganito naman, pag nirotate natin siya is about the smaller axis. Diba? So this is what we call the oblique. So ito naman yung oblique. Okay? So the oblique spheroid. No? Okay? 35. So now, pagdating sa conversion, so ng rectangular sa polar system, so ganyan tatandaan nyo lang is, this is R, this is X, this is Y, this is theta. So ito lang tatandaan nyo itong triangle na to. Okay? So from here, makikita natin na X is equal to R cosine theta. Diba? So that's why, doon sa given sa atin dito sa number 35, so we have R is equal to 2 secant theta. Diba? So R is equal to 2 secant of theta. So remember, secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. Okay? So, yung lumalabas dito, R cosine theta is equal to 2. But remember, what's R cosine theta? X. Diba? So, X is equal to 2. This is a vertical line. So, therefore, so this is a straight line. So, we have letter A. Okay? So, any questions on number 35? Okay? Naka ba? So, any questions? So, then, okay.